everyone, it's Hanny. I was busy coloring or pimping my Tim Holtz pictures, or some of them. I have lots of those pictures, and I thought, well, I like them very much. I like them black and white, but well, it's always the same. Sorry. So I thought, well, let's pimp them a bit. And I was busy making a tag, something like that, and I liked it very much. So I thought, well, let's show you how I do it. I did these few already, just a bit color on it, and I do that with Adirondack, Adirondack. How do you call that? Alcohol inks. Maybe someone else, something else works too. I don't know. But I thought, well, let's make one on camera. Maybe this one. And even just look, I have here a little card with the colors I have, and I have silver and gold, but I like the dark colors. The eggplant I like very much, so maybe I'm going to do this with the eggplant, a bit purplish, and maybe I'm going to do a bit yellow with it. Maybe I get brown then, but well, we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to, then it's going to be brown. Well, I don't like that. So I'm going to do the eggplant, and I'm just going to color it with a brush. Just a little bit color. And I'm just doing the clothes, not the faces and the arms and the legs. Just this. Oh. Just this, maybe her little socks, just a little bit of color. Well, let that dry. And well, I did yellow before, and that's very bright when they have white clothes. So I did this with yellow and a bit mushroom over it. I can show you. It's going to be very bright when I only do yellow. I'm not that precise. It's going to be a bit, well, not, how do we call that? So it works, you see. I think I have water on my brush. I have to clean my brush a bit. I have to be a little quick because it dries very fast, and maybe the bow in her head A little bit yellow. Just like that. And I could do her socks. Just a little bit. And when you think it's, sorry, my water is over there. When you think it's too bright, well, you can, when it's dry, do a bit another color over it. And I did something reddish. Oh, this could be brown. This boy, his shirt. It's just a bit yellow. It dries so fast. Something like that. Well, it's very easy. You don't have to do a lot. You don't have to be that precise. I don't know what the word is, the right word for it. And brown shoes. Well, that's it. I don't do everything. Maybe a brown dog. Just like that. Okay. Well, that can dry. So I'll put it over there. So it's not in my way. And now I can make the tag I wanted to make. I just want to try it. This, something like that. And a bit smaller, a little bit smaller. Is it straight? Not quite. So that is the tag. And I keep this simple also. I keep everything simple. Oh, here is my blending tool. This is well, a die cut circle, and I die cutted it from paper I dyed with coffee and some lace, I think, and it's a bit embossed and I like it very much. My scissors. Make a tag of it. I was making some embellishments for my journals. And I have a lot of these Tim Holtz photos, vintage photos. And well, I like them very much, like I said, but it's always the same. It's always, well, I wanted to do something else with them. And I thought, well, let's color them. Why not? So I'm going to glue that on. So this is going to go there. Over here, I thought, something like that. So and now I will color these edges because they have white edges. And now I'm going to glue them on. Those two children. Something like that. Well, I like that with a bit of color. I'm not sure if I'm going to do something more. It's a bit, maybe I should do it a bit shorter, the tag. Something like that. And now I'm not getting the way I do it. So, and now a hole in it, or I could glue some lace on it. Want to round the corners like that. And shall I do it with a, no, I think I'm going to glue some lace or some lace on it. Now I have to search for my lace. Could do that. It's a nice piece of lace. And I could do that with a staple if I want to. Or just glue it. I think I'll do it with a staple. One moment. So I wanted to do a green staple in it because I know I have them, green and red and yellow and blue staples, but I couldn't find it. So I will do just an ordinary gold staple if I succeed. Maybe I should glue it first a bit. Well, you all know, I think, how to make a tag. Come on. Just a gold staple. Just like that. Well, that's it. And I think I'm going to make some more tags. And I like it when they have a bit of color. These are dry too. And the little doggy. It's just a little bit of color. And you can do something nice with it. Yes, I like it. Well, thank you for watching. Bye bye.